What is work breakdown structure and why does it matter? A work breakdown structure, WBS, is a powerful tool in project management. It helps to break down complex projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. WBS allows for better resource allocation and ensures the project stays on track. It's essential for creating accurate project schedules, budgets, and managing project scope. Let's dive deeper into what makes WBS so effective and why it's crucial for project success. What is WBS? A WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of all the work required to complete a project. It breaks down the project into deliverables and work packages. This structure makes the project easier to manage, monitor, and execute. By dividing the project into smaller tasks, you can manage them more efficiently. Importance of WBS in project management. WBS clarifies the scope of work, helping to identify all activities required. It improves accountability, ensuring that each team member knows their tasks. WBS also helps prevent scope creep, cost overruns, and schedule delays. By providing a clear structure, it ensures that no tasks are overlooked. Types of WBS. There are two main types of WBS: deliverable-oriented and phase-based. The deliverable-oriented WBS focuses on project outputs, while the phase-based WBS organizes tasks by project phases. Choosing the right type depends on the project and the team's preferences. Advantages of using WBS. WBS provides visual clarity, offering a detailed view of the project. It highlights the hierarchy of tasks, showing how each piece fits into the larger picture. Using WBS ensures clarity in roles and responsibilities, improving team collaboration. Conclusion: a well-structured WBS is key to successful project management. It ensures you stay on top of every task, from planning to execution. By breaking down the project into smaller parts, WBS allows you to manage time, costs, and scope more effectively.